So let's focus on question 15. So question 15 asks you to find the two possible values for C. So this is a C value. So basically, I want you guys to actually pause the video and think about this question. So this is a really complicated question I've ever seen in SAT practice exam. So please pause the video and try this first. So make sure you try this first before watching this video. So basically, the first step you are going to do is to expand this term. So if you have no idea on doing this type of question, you need to actually try something else. So try something you know in the past. Try to actually expand this term and actually make it look similar to this term. So if you actually expand this polynomial, you actually got this expression right here. So abx squared plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 14. So when you expand this one, you would got this one, right? So if you actually compare with this equation right here, 15x squared plus cx plus 14. So this equation right here, you could actually see that 14 and 14 are matches. And also x squared and x squared are matches. So which means that AB and 15 must be matches. So AB, I know that this one equals to 15, right? So this is the most important, and it gives you the second hint of doing this question. I know that two different numbers multiplied together give you the product 15. And I also know that from the previous question, right? From this question, A plus B equals to 8. So this is my second equation. So I can actually solve this A and B if we have two equations right here. So just think about this. We need to have two different numbers multiplied together equals to 15. And two numbers plus, we just add this together, give us 8. So what are the two possible values? So you may be thinking that, right, A must be equals to 3 and B must be equals to 5, right? So if you think something like this, then you are correct. So A equals to 3, B equals to 5 are the possible solution. So if we switch the order, right, A equals to 5 or B equals to 3, it's also possible, right? Because if I switch the order, it's the same. Okay, so basically, if I know these two solutions, I can actually plug this into this format right here. So this one. So how I get this solution? So just compare this one for a second. I know that abx squared equals to 15x squared. 14 equals to 14, so the remaining portion should be equals to cx. So 7ax plus 2bx equals cx. I can actually take out the x because we have x. I can actually cross out all the x and leave out 7a plus 2b equals c. So my final step for this is to plug in a equals to 3, b equals to 5 into this equation right here. And I'm done with this question. So what is 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5? So 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 plus 10, I know my first solution is 31. So this is my possible answer. So my second possible answer, I need to plug in A equals to 5 and B equals to 3. So let's try this out. So this time I'm letting my A value equals to 5 and my B value equals to 3. So what are the solutions? So 7 times 5, which give us 35. So we have 35 times, right? So we have 35 plus 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So I got 35 plus 6, right? Give us 41. So D is my solution for question 15.